Hey, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we'll be unboxing this brand new Apple Pencil Series 2 that I recently bought. I have this thing engraved with my channel name as well, so it's definitely personalized. And for those who want to know how long a personalized device takes to come, since it obviously comes from China with the engraving and stuff, it varies honestly, because mine was supposed to come on September 15th, but today is the 9th, as you can see there. So it can come earlier, it can come late. It's really hard to gauge. It just depends on shipping within the US and from China as well. But yeah, let's unbox this thing and see what's up. But before we jump right in, don't forget to smash that like button as always, and hit that subscribe button down below, because I'll be doing follow-up videos with this pencil on an iPad Pro that I recently bought as well, and we'll be looking at that iPad Pro tomorrow or day after tomorrow in an upcoming video. So definitely hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload those videos. I'm also on Instagram, Discord, and Twitter, and you can follow me on those using the links down in the description below. Now, let's jump right into this unboxing. So first, let's have a quick go around of the box before opening it. Now, up top, we have a drawing of the Apple Pencil itself. The drawing is not textured like on the iPhones. On this side, we have an Apple Pencil branding, and on this side, we have the same branding as well. At the bottom, we have nothing, and at the top, we have the pull tab thing, and nothing drawn there either. At the back, we have some regulatory information and the models that this pencil will work with, serial number, etc, etc. And now, let's open the box and see what's inside. So let's start off by pulling this pull tab. Let me stop talking, bring it closer so you can hear the basically the sound. We have a pull tab over here, so let's pull it out. Designed by Apple in California. Let's lift this up. That's the pencil over there. Let's have a quick look at what's inside here. I'm guessing just some information. Apple Pencil, nothing else in there. We have Apple Pencil, bunch of regulatory information, setup guide, stuff like that, your basic stuff, and there's nothing else in the box. It's kind of a thick plastic separator, a thick cardboard separator there, so that's nice. So we have the pencil itself. We have a pull tab for the pencil. Lift it up like that. Nothing else in the box. And unwrap the pencil. And there's the pencil, and here is my custom engraving, Techformative 557, and the Apple Pencil logo there as well. So the engraving came out really nice. I have a case for this thing as well in my iPad's new case. It's a built-in case to the iPad as well, so it can charge at the same time. And this is the pencil. I mean, there's nothing much else I can show you in the unboxing. We have the tip up here with the body, kind of bigger than I thought, because I've held one of these only once, and I've only held the first generation. I never got a chance to hold a second generation. But yeah, this was the unboxing of the custom Apple Pencil that I got off Apple's website with the engraving of my channel's name. I'll be doing some follow-up videos on this thing, so stay tuned for those by hitting that subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to leave a like on this video and check out all my social media down in the description below. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.